What's up you guys, it's your boy and I'm back for another video. So this is Anything Adulting, a channel where we talk about life hacks, life in general, or anything adulting. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. Wala na tong edit guys kasi hindi talaga ako magaling mag-edit, pero I'm just waiting here in New Manila. New Manila ba tawag dito? Pero syempre hindi ko naman i-disclose yung kung nasan talaga ako, no? Pero alam nyo guys, it's been so long since I visited Manila. It's been so long and now I'm here. I've seen my university. Gosh, it's bringing back the old memories, no? So gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo guys. Patingin-tingin ako guys kasi syempre maganda na yung sure tayo. But I am just sharing you with this kasi look how good God is talaga guys, no? Na talagang God will really equip you with the skills na kailangan mo talaga in your future endeavors. And it's really so good to see old friends. It's really so good to see old acquaintances. And it's really so good to kahit papano mingle with the people who've been very kind to you nung kahit papano you're just starting your life, building your dreams. And I'm just super happy that I'm here. I'm just super happy. So this is just a reminder to each and every one of us na just keep on pushing forward, just keep on developing your skills. At the end of it all, this is all for the better good by the grace of God. Ayun lang naman talaga, and I'm really excited to see my old friends. Yun lang, thank you for watching.